So the first shot today is, well, it's difficult to find anything here, so as I mentioned, I might be out a bit too late. But I haven't had the time, and the weather is not that brilliant. It's clouded, over clouded all over. It's just a giant softbox. And the problem is that those small birch trees have dropped their leaves in the bottom. I would have liked them to be, well, so you can get the stems and the leaves in the same image. But behind me, I don't know if you can see this, and that camera is probably tilting a bit, but over there might be a chance to make a shot without too much foreground, and I'm going to put on a long lens, 70-200, to isolate that bit over there without too much sky, maybe just the trees up there, maybe just a hint of sky behind those, because the sky is so, well, boring as it is. This might not be a shot, this might be desperate, because I just want a shot now, because I've been struggling for a very, very, very long time to find something. I did find an awesome tree over there, way back up towards the car. It was a small tree, nicely isolated from the rest, and with a darker background, and the light was just, well, it does have some direction to it. It was just nice on that tree. And you could in fact see two smaller, like this, birch trees on each side of it, and it was nicely framed. But there was a lot of sky, and it would be totally blown out up in the sky. So I tried to walk around it, but there was no chance I could get that shot. So maybe a day with the storms and different clouds, some more texture in the clouds, or maybe a blue sky even would have been nice. But I think today is like that day you have to do this, because it's going to be windy all week. So I think a lot of leaves will drop. I suspect this could be my last autumn photography tour of this season before we get into the more winterly stuff. You can still photograph moss and stuff like that, but in terms of getting the colors, I think that might be the last chance today. So yeah, I'll just set up my tripod and make it the shot. So I just found a tree here that looks pretty amazing. I don't know about the composition, but oh, you want to see it? All right. I don't know how much you can see, but that one over there, that gnarly old tree, this could be a composition around here somewhere. Yeah, and oh, by the way, sorry about the noise. There's some, I don't know, I think there's a garage or something up there. And now someone's driving pretty fast. So yeah, that's fun. But let's see. There's also that one over there that's going up that way. That's also a pretty gnarly old one. So I'm going to work this composition because time is running. It's been 4 hours. Yeah, I haven't found it out. So this is what I'm going to have a go at, and see if I can do this as the last image. If this doesn't work, well, it's just one of those days you'll have to see. So yeah, sometimes that is what happens when you're out in the woods. So I will just show you my composition here. You see the tree over there, and I'm going to do a vertical shot on the camera here with those trunks in the sides as kind of a frame towards it, or a frame against it, or no, surrounding it, I don't know, whatever. So I'll just turn on the other camera and you can see it here. This is how it looks from this camera right now. I'm zoomed in pretty tight. I'm going to underexpose it just a tiny bit because as you can see, I can't really get rid of the sky up there, but it's not that prominent, so I think it's okay. And then I'm also going to do a horizontal shot and zooming a bit further out to see if that works. So hang on, I will fix that. So enough of me talking now. It's quite windy out there. There's this noise in the background. That's not worth listening to. I might have found a few different compositions here, a few other things I want to photograph. So I'm going to walk around and take the pictures now, and you'll see them. And I'll talk to you about them when I get back to the office. So see you back at the computer.